Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. If you're a PNC Bank customer and need to quickly access your bank statements on the go, this video is perfect for you. We're diving into the 2025 version of the PNC app, which has some sleek updates to make banking even easier. Whether you're tracking expenses, preparing for taxes, or just staying organized, knowing how to find your statements can save you tons of time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest PNC mobile app downloaded on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android, and it's free. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a quick verification code, super secure, right? Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where all your accounts are summarized. Tap on the account you want to view statements for, like your checking or savings account. Look for the Statements or Documents section. It's usually right there in the menu or under a tab labeled Account Details. In the 2025 update, PNC has made this even more intuitive, so it should be straightforward. Next, select the statement you need. You can choose from monthly, quarterly, or yearly options. Tap on it to view the PDF directly in the app, or hit the download button to save it to your device. Pro tip: if you're having trouble, double-check your app settings for any permissions related to documents. Sometimes that's the culprit. And just like that, you've got your bank statement. It's that simple and secure. Remember, always keep your login details private to protect your info. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching, and happy banking. See you in the next one.